tell you a few things. Number one, 6 plans. Go to better.gop. This is exactly what we will do here in Wisconsin. We will deliver our 10 electoral votes. We will fight for our conservatives. Thank you.
Donald Trump gets ridiculed for having some locker room golf course talk with a buddy, and the Clintons get away with what they have done to women. Talk about a double standard. It is disgusting.
Things he said, you know what? That was 11 years ago, and that was a private conversation. And I would bet that a lot of guys talk like that when they get together.
Every male has had a braggadocio conversation at one time or another that uses language that may not be fit for the parlor when talking about the opposite sex in the same way that women do. I don't understand why that takes so much precedent.